This next core exercise is a leg raise. Pretty straightforward, but I really wanted to cover some of the basics first on core engagement. So when you're doing these leg raises, you'll be on your back, and you might find it helpful to have your hands underneath your hips. Now, ideally, you're not going to have any space under your low back. Because I have a microphone on my back, I will have a little bit of space, but just know normally I want my low back glued to the mat, and you do that by engaging the low core. So I'm going to put my hands under my hips to help augment that, and you can start at this top position, lower down, and up. Some modifications would be a bent knee. So there's so many different variations for this. You can do like one bent knee at a time, like that. You can do one straight leg at a time to make it easier, like that. Now the hardest is going to be both legs at the same time without that support of the hands under your hips. You can make that leg raise a little bit harder with some arm resistance. So if you have a long band, you can loop it around a pole like that. And then you're going to come down on your back. Again, I have my microphone, so I have a little bit of arch that I would not normally have. And then you pull up till you have some tension, and then go down and up, down, up. Now you can do the same thing one leg at a time, like that. You could do bent legs. That's a lovely modification to make that harder. The other one that you can do is a dumbbell. So you can have a dumbbell. I'll kind of show you on the side angle here. And you can hold a dumbbell over your head and do that lower down and up and down and up. All right, if you have any questions on the leg raises, let me know.